What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is going to be an update number 2 for the capabilities of the new Michelin Cross Climate 2 tires that I bought a few weeks ago. And this video here is going to be the performance on snow. And this is going to be a really good video. As you can see, we have a lot of snow here down in Cincinnati. We just got a big snowstorm that blew through, and we got about 6 inches. So I'm about to take a little drive through the city here, and we're going to be going up a pretty nice hill. There's already cars that are stuck on this hill, and the current road conditions are ice underneath with 6 inches of snow packed on top. And this is going to be a quick little ride along on the capabilities of this tire. And I will say that I can already tell you that these tires surpass an all-terrain tire, I guess you could say. These things go through snow like nothing. And we're about to go for a quick little ride. So if you can see there off the side, there's a guy plowing snow, and there's all kinds of snow built up over here. So it is late at night, so there's not a lot of people on the road, so that I can give you guys a good idea on how the tires perform. And my tire size currently is a 245, 65, 17. And I do have all-wheel drive on my 2013 Toyota Highlander. And if you can tell, you cannot see the pavement whatsoever. So we're gonna go ahead and get into a little bit of the snow here. So I'm going to go ahead and drive on the side that really hasn't been plowed. The snow plows have really been just going down the middle. So here's the hill I'm talking about. So I'm just going to go ahead and go through all this thick snow here on this 4-lane road. And we're going about 30 miles an hour up this hill. And these tires are just eating the snow. Literally just eating the snow. And I'm going to go ahead and we'll just go ahead and stop here on the road. There's not a lot of people here. But I'm going to go ahead and stop on the hill, and we'll go ahead and just take off from the hill. And as you can see, it takes off great. Didn't even have to punch it, even just a little bit of gas gets the tire spinning, or sorry, gets the grip. Now, here's where I told you there's a couple cars that are just stopped because they can't make it up the hill. So I'm going to show you here. We're just going to go around all the cars. I mean, we just have to. There's nothing we can really do. Yeah, these cars over here, they're pretty much just stopped on this hill because they can't make it up. And I don't know why you want to bring a two-wheel drive car out in this weather, knowing that you don't have the capabilities. But that's on you, I guess. So here we're still going up the hill, and you can see how thick this snow is. And I'm only going about 30 miles an hour, maybe 35. And I'm staying in all the real thick snow right now, so you guys can see that I'm not going through the middle where the plow's been, and we are going down the hill now. And I will say that the braking and the stopping distance on these tires are amazing. I can almost slam on the brakes and the tires don't lock up, and they slow down perfectly. But like I said, I'm just cruising along here, showing you guys the capabilities of these tires, because honestly none of the snow is stopping the tires, especially on the hills where you saw back there, people just not going anywhere. So we will be going up a little hill again. And I will stay in the thick snow. Tires, they're just eating through the snow here. No problems at all. And the tires do perform exceptionally well while turning in the snow. No slipping unless you're going some crazy speed around a turn. So we're about to make a turn, so we're going to go ahead and get into like the main road here. Actually, we'll go ahead and get back in the snow. We'll take a little right here. We'll go right and see what happens. It's definitely thicker snow. So there's a little bit of turning in the snow here. Probably just going to go ahead and make a U-turn right in the middle of the road, because we can do that. But yeah, I'm very impressed and happy with these tires, especially with the snow. I'm going to tell you that I highly recommend these tires to anybody looking for an all-season 3 peak rated, snow, mud, rain, dry weather traction for these tires. But anyways, yeah, this is the video that I've been meaning to put out, and was hoping that we'd get a lot of snow so you guys can really see the tires in action on some really thick snow. Anyways, drop me a comment, let me know if you guys have used these tires in some crazy thick snow or really adverse wintry conditions.